right, we're back here in Montpelier and it's Corvette night, but when you go past the Montpelier that looks like this one, you just have to stop for a minute and talk to the gentleman that owns it, and that's Bill Rocky. Bill, good to meet you. You have one of the prettiest cars here at the show tonight, even though there's a lot of pretty Corvettes around here. This is the Dodge Charger, 1966.
Yeah, 66. We had this car when I was 16 years old. We had a car just like it. We started dating together, and this is the kind of car we had. So when I asked her if she wanted to buy another car, this is the car she picked out. So that's how we wound up with it. 66.
So the boss gave you permission to buy something like this?
Yes, she did.
You know what? That works. You got a good boss, Dale. That's all I'm telling you.
Well, I try and listen.
Tell me about this color. That's the prettiest car and the prettiest color I've seen all night.
I really don't know what to tell you about the color. The original color, it's the original thing.
Wow.
The car comes from Fulton County. I'm the second owner. It was one of the first Dodge Chargers brought to Fulton County. The first one that he sold over there.
Really?
Yeah.
What was the dealership back then? Do you remember? It's on the window sticker, so you got the original window sticker.
Yes, I do.
And what did it sell for originally there?
$3,666.
Oh my gosh. $3,000. And it is Wayne Lamb and Sons on Shook Avenue in Wauseon, Ohio. Wow, that is pretty amazing. And who had this car before? Do you know who you buy it from?
They're can't think of the guy's name. His mother bought it brand new.
Yeah.
Auto parts store.
Yeah. They ran an auto parts store over there.
In Wauseon. All right, well that's not a problem. We'll do a little editing work on this one right there. How's that? No problem whatsoever. Now, everything basically original interior?
Yeah.
Is original too?
Yes, it is. The interior, the back seats lay down, the back deck folds down into the trunk, so it can make like it can stationary. So, which is kind of unique for that kind of car.
Yeah, it really is. You have the fastback look, which is always my favorite.
Yes, they did this for 2 years, 66 and 67. So,
there can't be many of those out there left. Yeah?
I really couldn't tell you, but no, I don't see too many around.
And it really doesn't matter because you have one of them.
Yes, I do.
And another thing that you got on the front of the pop-up lights, and I always love those things.
Yes, the hideaway headlights. During the day, it looks like there's just a solid grill, no headlight feature at all. So, and then at night they roll open, and you have your light work inside.
You know, the new Chargers are beautiful, but the old Chargers, the 66, are just nothing like it.
Yes, it is. This started the whole thing.
It really did. Neil, thank you for your time, and thank you for bringing that beautiful car to Montpelier tonight.
Well, thank you. Thank you for having me.
No problem. This portion of our Facebook Live tonight is brought to you by Brian Ford Lincoln, the main stops in Northwest Ohio. Wheeling Automotive, Case for your Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep, and Culligan Sales and Service in Northwest Ohio.